My name's Alex, and I'm going to show you how to draw a snowman in Photoshop. So I'm going to go right over to my paintbrush tool, and I'm going to select a big circle. And I'm actually, 60 is not big enough. That's probably the size we're going to want to use for the head. So I'm going to go to 189. And I'm not going to use my pen tablet because, as you can see, it doesn't really, I can do the circle, but there's too much of a chance of accidentally doing that. So I'm just going to go ahead and click. That's too big. All right, so I'm going to start with a big circle. I'm going to go down a little bit more. Then I'm going to go ahead and go a little bit smaller. All right, so there you've got your head and your midsection and then your bottom. So then I'm going to switch colors to black. I'm going to select size 16 for the eyes. And then slightly smaller, probably 6 for the mouth. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. And then for the nose, I'm going to grab some orange for a carrot. Make that a little bit smaller, around 4. And if you want that carrot to be really detailed, you can just go ahead with the burn tool, make it smaller, on 3. Select highlights. And then you can do the 3 buttons down. Make them size 13. No, make them size 32. And that's actually too big. Do 13. And then, if you want to add a hat, you can. I personally don't like adding hats, but I'll go ahead and do it so I can show you. Just make a little top hat. If you want to add more details, you totally can. Darken it, do whatever. My name is Alex, and this is how you draw a snowman in Photoshop. Thank you.